This is March 2nd in upstate New York. We got close to 2 feet of snow. And 3 days ago, March 2nd of 2018, I wore a t-shirt out. And now we have a snowstorm. As you can see, everything is covered. A few counties have a travel ban. So I am off to work actually. After I walk these mutts, I have to go ahead and hopefully make it downtown. Come here, buddy. We're not going over there in the woods. We're gonna stay out here in the open. Come on. Come on, Bella. I think even the dogs are tired of the snow. They love the snow. Right, Bella? Alright, well, that's what we have here, March 2nd in upstate New York. It is beautiful, I'm not gonna